Now, we discussed about a neural network and how are we going to handle a classification problem using a neural network, right? So let me also share with you something very important. In your neural network, you have an input layer. So these are like your inputs, right? X1, X2, X3, and this will be sent to multiple layers of what we call hidden layer, and then this will actually give out the outputs. Now the output layer, the number of nodes are equal to the number of classes you predict. So this is your class 1, this is your class 2, this is your class 3. Now the important thing that you need to understand here is the output, this output will be in the form of what we call logits. Now logits means just a number, it can be any number. It can be 2, it can be -3, it can be 3.5, or it could be anything, any real number. Now this is not very useful. These logits are not very useful because it doesn't say anything about these classes, and also it doesn't add up to anything, right? So what we do is we do something called adding another layer called SoftMax. It's called the SoftMax layer. Actually, what we're trying to do is we are going to convert these numbers into something called a probability distribution, right? Probability distribution. So what happens is this number will get converted into a number in between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 and 1. For an example, we'll say this will be 0.6, this could be 0.3, and this can be 0.1. But the important thing is all these, the total will get added up to 1. So it's almost like a probability, right? So then we can actually say this is 60%, this is 30%, and this is 10%. So these are more like confidence levels, right? You can say class 1, 60% of the time it could be class 1, 30% of the time it can be class 2, 10% of the time it's class 3. Now this is something useful, right? So in this prediction we can say most probably given this input, this particular prediction would be class 1.